How to deposit Bitcoin and other crypto on your Binance account. First of all, if you still don't have a Binance account, sign up with the link below, 20% off your Binance trading fees for life. Once you created your account, go to your spot wallet. Find the crypto that you want to send and click deposit. On our example, I will deposit Bitcoin from Coinbase. Now select the network. If I'm depositing Bitcoin, you will select Bitcoin. This will be your deposit address on Binance. So I will just copy this address and then paste it on Coinbase. Now that we are on Coinbase, I will just click send. Here you will paste that address that we just copied. Click send all and click continue. Check out the network fee. If everything looks good, just click send now. Type in your two-factor authentication and click confirm. Depending on the crypto, the time to get into Binance may vary. For Bitcoin, it takes around 30 minutes. So after I waited, I got a notification telling me that deposit was successful. If you go to your transaction history, you can find your deposit here. Don't forget to sign up with the link below, 20% off your Binance trading fees plus a $50 sign-up bonus with the best Binance referral code, link in the pinned comment. And that's all there is to start trading on Binance. If you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like and I will see you on the next Binance tutorial.